What's up guys, last time I did a review of this RGB Bluetooth speaker, but today I'm showing you what it looks like on the inside. It's my first time trying to open one like this, so you will see some mistakes I made during the video. First off, I removed the rubber feet, and at the same time, I was looking for some screws. I could not find any, so I thought maybe I just need to pry it open. Well, after 5 minutes of trying, I just realized there are screws and I had to try a different approach. And that was to remove the speaker grill and everything else underneath. I was already damaging the speaker in the beginning, so I was not going to be gentle with the rest of the teardown. So if it breaks, at least you know it will be broken if you do what I do. After removing some plastic layers, I finally found the screws, and it's a lot. Okay, now we are able to see the RGB LEDs and the rest of the speaker parts. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing if you are new to my channel. See you in the next video. Peace.